Engulfment candles play a big role in determining whether a high or a low has been locked in, and it gives us our entry for the reversal setups. So in this video, I am going to show you how I use engulfment candles to enter my positions, and I will show you the most common mistakes people actually do while trying to identify engulfment candles. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and let's jump into the video. So let's look at US30. US30 last week gave us two very beautiful setups, and the process is simple. We are looking for breakouts at the high or the low of the week. Day 1 and day 2, this is day 1 Monday, day 2 Tuesday, sets the high and the low of the week. On Wednesday, as you can see, on Wednesday, we are looking for a breakout in the New York session between 8 and 11. So we have our breakout at so we have this pin extending the high, but we also have a breakout in the at 9. Another thing, I'm only looking to trade between 920 to 1045. So as much as I'm looking for setups between 8 and 11, I have a specific window when I am timing the market. So what happens in the 1 minute time frame? We have our breakout, on Wednesday in the first breakout. So this is the first breakout at 9. We have no setup really. We have no setup. Then price continues going up, pumping. So when I see this pump, in my mind, I'm only looking for reversal. I have a tunnel vision for that. So this is where our engulfment candles come into play. Now we have this M pattern here with the breaking structure. So we have this M pattern with the breaking structure. Then we have a retest. So we have the first retest, but we have no engulfment candle. We have another retest, but we have an engulfment candle at 10:15. So this is what an engulfment candle looks like. This candle engulfs this candle, and we are only dealing with one candle. Now, when it comes to trading, everyone has their own view of the market, and there are people who take trades based off if the market structure has been engulfed. So this is the market structure. So the moment a candle closes outside of this low, that might trigger an entry for someone. So what I only look for is this candle here. This candle must be bigger than this candle. And looking at wicks, it must engulf the body and the wick. The body and the wick. That is the biggest mistake most people do when they're trying to identify engulfment candles. You might find a setup where, like this candle here, this candle is not an engulfment candle. It has not engulfed this wick. In fact, they just have equal highs. So I wouldn't be looking, if you would be looking for a reversal, assuming this was a perfect reversal setup, this will not represent a perfect engulfment candle. An engulfment candle must engulf the body of the previous candle plus the wicks. So it's the wicks that most people mistake. Be patient, wait for your engulfment candle. Now, US30 gave us another setup on Thursday, and it will be wise to look at that also, see what happened on Thursday, and identify the engulfment candle, how it plays its role. So, as usual, we are looking for a breakout, and we already broke out. So this is the high of the week. Price continues breaking out. Now, of course, I'm only looking for trades after 920. So 920 begins here. Now, on this day, we had a broken down market. So how does the engulfment candle play its role in an already broken down market? You see, when we have an already broken down market in the first hour, so between 8 and 9, we have this market pouring down. At 9:30, what usually happens is that we will have a stop hunt into those who went short earlier. Now, price might go back to the high, it might just be a small mini pump, it doesn't matter. What we want to see is an explosive move towards the high if it's about an already broken down market. And this was the explosive move. So the explosive move, then it gave us an M pattern here. Went up, went down, went up, went down, and we broke structure. So we have a pump, we have an M pattern with a broken structure. So this blue candle at 940 was the retest with the engulfment candle at 941. That was the entry. So engulfment candles usually signal they have already locked in the high. It's time for price to continue down. So that is that is the significance of the engulfment candle, and learning how to spot them at the correct timing, then you will have an edge in the market. If you got value from today's video, subscribe and see you in the next video. Peace out.